Hi, this is Brad. Today in this video I want to explain to you why I will probably never ever again use a remodel can, but rather instead we'll use an ultra thin LED that comes with a low profile junction box. This is made by Globe. This is only a 1/2 inch thick. What does that mean? That means that when I do my cutout, I've got 5 in the ceiling here, I can put those cutouts wherever I want. I don't have to worry if there's a pipe in the way. I don't have to worry if there's a joist in the way. It doesn't matter. Because this is only a 1/2 inch thick, it's going to fit up and in there. I also love that these are 6 inches wide. So when the light comes out and fans, it's fantastic. I mean, these are performers. I guess I shot this video because I want to just tell people that, hey, if you want some quality light and you're willing to pay a little bit extra, you're going to want to pick these up by Globe. These are unbelievable. These are so awesome that when people come in here, they say, the first thing they do is they look at those lights because it's such a warm, soft light. It's gentle on your eyes, but yet it's bright. These are 3000K, by the way. They ask where we got these. So the other thing is so we bought some lights to place under our cabinets, and because these are such performers and the light, the 65-watt light is fanning out so wide and so warm, it's reaching under those cabinets. We found that we don't even need to spend the money to install those. So these are indoor outdoor rated, they're wet rated. You know, this video is not to tell you how to install these. This video is just to tell you to look no further, just to buy these. You will not be disappointed. I hope you found this video helpful because I really thought these were unbelievable, and I'm going to use these in the other parts of my house. If you like it, give it a like, share it, and thanks for watching.